you guys. Thank you guys so much. Good morning. Good morning, people. It's Monday. As you guys can tell, it's Monday. I have a lot to do today. Hi, baby. Did she say hi, mommy? Yes. Oh my word. Maddie's talking up a storm. But anyways, I'm getting ready to go drop the kids off at school. I'm drinking coffee, so there's just like stuff I'm just like all over the place. I don't know why I'm drinking coffee. God knows I don't need coffee. But I had to wake up. I was just in my bed, just like, I have so much to do, guys. So much. I have to do laundry because I didn't do laundry yesterday because I spent the whole day in bed. Like I was telling you guys, I went live. I was telling you guys, Sundays are hard for me. For some odd reason, Sundays are hard. I get a lot of triggers on Sundays. I don't know why. I just can't function on Sundays. In which my husband is very much aware of it. And he's so sweet. And he takes over. And then he like gently reminds me that, hey, we got to do this. Or, hey, we got to do that. But he's not like mean or like, you got to get up. You got to get your out of bed and you gotta no, he's very sweet and he's very loving and he's very caring. He's very supportive and I am so grateful for that. I'm gonna do a cook with me today because I'm gonna try a new recipe that I've never done before in the crock pot. Also I have a multi-cooker cup. Someone sending me a multi-cooker to review. Lord help me. So I'm excited for that because I want to try it out and see how it works. And 7:21, we gotta go. We gotta go. And it's cold. It's cold and it's raining. Put the dog up. Say good morning real quick. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. My house is a hot mess. It's always a hot mess. Well, it's not really a mess. It's just blankets on the floor from where we were hanging out last night because it's cold. It's really cold. Say good morning. Oh, you're so sweet. Let's go. Say good morning. Good morning. Moana. Make way. Make way. Get in. Who's going in the back? All right, put the seat down. Huh? Why? My light? It's fine. We gotta go. I'm getting ready to go put my crock pot on. I think it's like a little after 9. But forgive my face. I didn't put any makeup on today because my face is breaking out. And I start my weight loss journey again for the 15th million time. Oh my gosh. So if you guys want to join in, all I'm doing is I'm getting ready to go work out in a little bit, but I'm doing I think I'm doing the T25 because it's like 25 minutes. And that's all as much as I can do these days. So I'm going to be doing that as well as making sure that I eat a well-balanced meal and cut out the junk and the sugar and all that. It's so hard because it's so addicting. But girl, why this morning I went to go make sure that my son washed the shampoo out of his hair because we went somewhere the other day and he had dry flakes, like, you know, when you don't wash something, shampoo out of your hair and it's just leave a residue. So I went like this and brushed it and it was like flaky. So I was like, did you wash the shampoo out of your hair? I was like, I think I did. So I go, mind you, he's 11. He will be 12 next month. So I go, because I heard the shower. So I was like, let me go make sure this boy washed the shampoo out of his hair. I haven't seen them like naked in a while because they're old enough to bathe themselves properly. But the fact that he's not washing his hair properly simply means that he needs more guidance. And that's something that my husband should be doing. But he's not here during the day. He's not here during the mornings when they get ready for school. So I walk in. I didn't even knock. I don't even know why I don't knock. Because I'm just like, I don't know why I didn't knock. I was supposed to knock. It's the right thing to do. But I'm just not expecting what I saw. I wasn't expecting such dramatic change from the last time I've seen him. And I walked in, I was like, whoa! I was legit traumatized. I was traumatized by what I saw. And I was just like, that was the fastest I got out of that bathroom, because I'm just like, that's no longer my little boy anymore. I don't know what happened, but for some odd reason, he's not a little boy anymore. And I want to cry so bad, because I'm just like, what happened to my baby? You know what I mean? It's just like, now it's a new feeling of, you know, I have young men in my home. Young men, not young boys, or no, I have a young man in my home, and he's not even 12 yet. And I'm like, whoa there. With Jaxson is different. Jaxson's body hasn't got to where Jordan is, and they're twins. But that's because Jaxson has a birth defect that affects him in that area where he's not gonna mature at the same rate. Chances of him maturing at all before he's, I don't even know what age. I don't expect puberty to hit Jaxson the way that it has Jordan. And it's sad, but at the same time, it's what it is, you know what I mean? But we have to sit down with the boys now, because I'm pretty sure we have to explain to Jaxson why his body is not changing the way that his brother is, because they share a room, they share everything. So I'm gonna have to do that sit down talk and stuff, and I'm just like, oh my word. But I'm gonna go get my crock pot going. Okay guys, correction, I'm gonna do the Les Mills Combat, so instead of T25, because I can't find T25, so I'm gonna start with the basics. So, and then listen to some Usher. I love Usher. By myself calling her your name. Ladies, tell me, do you understand? Now I'm up in the feel my pain. It's the way I feel. I know I made a mistake. Now it's too late. She ain't coming back.
Now wrap your thumbs around your fingers. Draw your elbows into your rib cage.
Round and round we go, losing self-control. I keep telling myself, but I don't wanna let you know. Is this what we become? Strangers on the run, looking for something, chasing the sun. All those days, trying to find a place we all make them just be alone, All those nights lying by your side, like it's a vibe, feeling it shine under your spotlight.
This is what home workout looks like, okay? Real stuff, look.
Like it's a vibe under your spotlight. That's the way every day goes. Looking back, I know we stopped.
I do my own crap, okay? I don't follow directions. I do my own crap. I'll tell you what the people are actually doing. I'm gonna show you. This is what they're doing, okay? That's what they're doing. This is what I'm doing.
Trying to find a place where we can be alone. All those nights lying by your side, like it's a vibe, feeling it shine under your spotlight.
I'm an idiot. These people are doing something totally different. But who cares?
We all make them just be alone. Like it's a vibe under your spotlight.
All done. So you guys don't have to follow like what they're doing. Just do your own thing. Just jump up and down till you start sweating. You just do your own thing. I did that and I lost like 40-50 pounds when I used to work out at home. I never followed what they were saying. I just did my own thing. Just go with the music. Les Mill, they have really great music in the workout. I just dance to that. Go crazy. I'm gonna go take a shower and then come down, clean up, and then start cooking. Should start cooking at 11. Probably put it on before I go bathe so that it can be on. But yeah, my Monday has come. Okay, so I'm all clean. I need to find my phone. Get ready to put the crock-pot on. So excited for this meal. It's the first time actually trying it. I found it on Pinterest. And it's really simple. And I hope it turned out great because it's my first time trying it. And I hope Marcelo likes it. Because I really tried. This child has water in a cup. I don't know where she got it from. Let me show you guys the ingredients. So you need a crock pot, of course. Some chicken thighs, boneless, skinless. Some heavy whipping cream. Cooking spray. Do not mind my toddler, please. I do not know. What's the matter? Who did it and why? Okay, tell them to stop. Go tell them to stop. Anyways, back to this cook with me thing. So you need some biscuit, your season of choice. I'm using black pepper, season all, garlic and onion powder, some chicken gravy mix, and mixed vegetable. So now I have to cut up the chicken. I'm gonna set it to the highest setting, which is, for mine it's high, and then you want to spray it with the cooking spray. You want to spray it with that, and then you're gonna put your chicken in. So the chicken is now in the crock pot. I leave the fat on because I don't mind the fat, but you can take the fat off the chicken if you want, but I leave it on. And then in a bowl, I forgot to mention that it also calls for flour. So it's like 1/4 cup of flour. You can use as much as you want, but for this ingredient, for this recipe, it calls for 1/4 cup per, I forgot how many pounds of chicken, 2.5 pounds of chicken. So so you're gonna mix the flour, the gravy mix, and all your seasoning in this bowl. And I don't have measurements for my seasoning, I just eyeball it. And then you're gonna put the heavy whipping cream in here and just kind of like make a little sauce, if you will. So you just mix that all together, make sure there's no lump before you add your liquid. And yeah, your dry ingredients, you're going to pour 1 cup of whipping cream. I'm just going to pour this whole thing in here because I don't follow recipe. I just eyeball stuff, and then you mix it together. So that's what it's gonna look like. Okay, so once you mix that mixture, all that stuff, and if it's too thick, you could add a little water in there. And I'm kind of sorry that I wasn't able to show you guys the whole step by step, but it's just me here with one hand and it's hard to show you guys. But what you do is after you mix that, you just pour it on top and you just kind of like spread it, and you're gonna let this cook for like 3 to 4 hours. Then after that, you're gonna add your mixed vegetable, and then this you have to bake. So you have to bake this and then place it on the top. Or some people put it in and put the whole thing in the oven, but me, I'm not messing around with all that. Next thing, my crock pot shattered. Isn't she so precious when she sleeps?
The mythical underground race that live below our very city?
No, that's ridiculous.
No, you're ridiculous. Children, there is an easy way to settle this. Let's go.
It smells really good in here. Oh my word. So this is like an hour, almost 2 hours in, and this is what it looks like. Okay guys, so I'm about to eat my first meal. So this is just oatmeal, almond, peanut butter, raspberry, blueberry, and yeah. Madison is taking a nap, so I'm gonna eat this while. Oh, let me show you guys. So along with that, I'm gonna show you guys how much I weigh, and we're gonna do weekly weigh-ins on Mondays, so you guys are gonna see this on Tuesdays. So yeah, so let's go see how much I'm weighing right now. Okay, so I am 221.2, so hopefully next week I'm 219. Okay guys, so I've added the mixed vegetable inside of it. So you want to stir it. I didn't record stirring that, but you want to stir it, and then once you stir it, after 3 or 4 hours, however long you want to cook it, I don't want it to get too mushy, so I went ahead and added the mixed vegetable. What's wrong, baby? I'm coming. I went ahead and added the mixed vegetable at the 3-hour mark. So you just want to cover that. You just want to cover that and let that cook for another hour, and then after that you're gonna bake, put the biscuit on top. Okay, so now this is what the mixed vegetable look like after it's been cooking for an hour. So now I'm gonna put the biscuit on top, and I preheated the oven to 350 degrees, and I'm gonna put the biscuit and then put this whole thing in the oven without the lid. Okay, so this is what the biscuit looks like. Once the oven is preheated, I'm gonna remove this and put it in the oven, and I think it's, you cook it until the biscuits are golden brown on the top. So it's in, and we're gonna let this cook. Hopefully you guys can make this and it turns out good, because I just eyeball seasoning and everything, but I just wanted to show you guys how I use my crock-pot, and it's just, yeah. So kids are home, so now I have to hop on homework chores, and I'm exporting a video right now, so you guys can have something to watch early during the week now. I am a video ahead now. Before I was just the same day, and it was so hard. So I'm gonna go help these kids with their homework and stuff, so catch y'all later. Okay guys, so this is what the meal looked like plated, and this is my husband's portion, and it served exactly 8.
You want me to finish?
Bunch of veggies. I took everything.
Dinner was amazing, right, Jordan? Was it good? Is it good, Maddie? Is it yummy? Yeah. So was it good, Jason?
Yeah. It was so delicious. The bread was so good.
Was it good, honey? Good job. Was it good? Yes? Was it good, Mommy?
It was more than good.
It was more than good? Okay. Yeah. Well, you guys get water and call it a night. So, my job is done as a mama and a wife, and I'm going to go hang out on my couch. So I will see you guys on Wednesday. Bye, guys.